Hey, so if your Bitly links are not working, yeah, that can be a serious problem, especially if you're sharing them for business, social media, or campaigns. Maybe the link shows an error, doesn't redirect, or is blocked. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get your Bitly links working again. First, check the original long URL behind your Bitly link. If the destination page is down or removed, the short link won't work either. Next, make sure the bit.ly link is typed correctly. Even a small typo, yeah, can break the redirect. Some links may be disabled or expired, especially if they violate policies or were manually turned off. Try opening the link on another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is local, like cache or browser settings. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data, yeah, can sometimes block redirects. If the link still doesn't work, check your network or DNS settings. Some networks block shortened URLs. Make sure your Bitly account is active and not restricted. Account issues can affect link performance. If nothing works, yeah, create a new Bitly link with the same destination. This often fixes the problem quickly. So yeah, that's how to fix Bitly links not working. One of these steps should get your links redirecting properly again. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes.